everybody, happy Halloween. In light of it being Halloween, I want to show you guys how I'm going to achieve my costume. My daughter is obsessed with Ben and Holly's Little Kingdom. If you haven't checked it out, it's hilarious. And there is a character named Nanny Plum, and she looks like this. And so I am going to be Nanny Plum for Halloween. And I've already done my makeup. So I used all eco-friendly products for my Halloween makeup. I used Elate Cosmetics. I used the Uplift Full Tint Foundation, the Cream Revealer in shade CW3. And this is my, what I like to call my Plums and Pinks palette that I've made up with Elate Cosmetics for my eyes. And then for my lips and for my scribbly cheeks, I used the blush lipstick. And then for my brows, I used the Raven eyebrow cream, which is incredible. It's my favorite stuff for my brows if you want to get a very unnatural look like this or a really natural look. It's fabulous. It wears all day. So that's what I did for makeup. Now for my hair, Nanny Plum has a fringe. So I'm going to be using a fringe extension for the front of my hair and creating a bun using a donut and a little extra hair extensions to help. And I will be securing everything with hairpins by Damien Manzillo. Thank you, Damien, for the hairpins. This is great because it's a little sample pack. It comes with 50 different pins. And it comes with my favorite tool, which is the hair bungee. This is absolutely incredible for buns, ponytails, anything that you want to really secure in there. So I'm going to mute the sound. I'm going to get going and I'm going to fast forward through this so you guys can see what I'm doing, but it not take up all your day. So thanks so much, everybody. Happy Halloween. And I hope everybody's enjoying tonight.